I told him, I don't feel comfortable taking his vehicle. No, I'm okay with the other one. It's okay. I'll speak both in English and Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulavana Katiyol and advisory, thank you. I want to introduce my team here. Representing Minister for Rural Development is Commissioner Northern, Mr. Jobesa Vodea. I've got our Deputy Secretary here, Joe Savaloa. Got Director Animal Health, Dayal, Avinash Dayal. PAO Northern, Sujain. I've got this, the head of Ministry of Waterways, Sanjay. Is Sanjay? Huh? Oh, he's coming, Sanjay. So Waterways is here, Rural Development is here, Agriculture is here, and I've got SAO Rice. SAO Rice. I've got Dio Macuata, who I met in Ba. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming. We're here to listen to you, and we're here to see what issues you have, what problems you have. Some of the problems we can immediately deal with it. Some we can deal with it maybe in 3 months' time. Some this year. Some maybe really might not be relevant. So let's hear you out. तो भाइयों बहनों बहुत धन्यवाद। थोड़ा देर हो गया, यानी कि हमारा नियुक्ति भया नवंबर में, लेकिन मैं काफ़ी काम वहाँ पर कर रहे थे ऑफिस में, फ्रेमवर्क बना रहे थे, स्ट्रेटजीज बना रहे थे। तो अब समय निकल कर जैसे मुझको समय मिलता है मैं निकलता हूँ। ये हफ्ता 2 रोज़ का समय मैं निकाला है नॉर्दर्न डिवीजन के लिए। आज इधर है, कल मैं उधर रहूँगा बुआ के बगली। तो एडवाइजरी आप लोगों का मैं बारी बारी से अपना नाम बताना और क्या इशू है, तो फिर हम रेस्पॉन्ड करेंगे कि कैसे हम उसको वो समस्या को डील करेंगे। तो एडवाइजरी फोरम आपके, इसके बाद फिर हम कुछ एंड में कहेंगे, कमिश्नर कुछ कहेंगे और हमारे जो साथी गण हैं वो कुछ कहेंगे। तो आप डायरेक्ट करिए कि क्या इश्यूज है, क्या है समस्या, कैसे हम डील करेंगे। और अंत में मैं अपना ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल बानी मरामा का शुभ संदेश आप तक पहुंचाता हूं। वो देश से बाहर है, बट उन्होंने जब मैंने बात किया लास्ट वीक उनसे कि मैं यहाँ पर आऊँगा, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा शुभ संदेश आप तक पहुंचा देना। थैंक यू। तो अगेन टेक्टाला यू विल टेल अस, देन वी विल इमीडिएटली ट्राई टू डू इट। कुछ गड़बड़ हमें बताना, आपके नाम हम लोग लिख के ले जाएगा। थोड़ा लंबा प्रोसेस रही क्योंकि उसके so they will assist you in doing the project paper, my staff here. Then it will take a bit of time. They will take it, they will formulate it for you. But so they will sit with you and say what you need to grow, what stages. ना धान कटवा पाए, मशीन लेके आएगा। We have to mechanize. We will mechanize. तुमने के हार्वेस्टर फुल टाइम में रखेगा। अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वेश्चन है, हम लोग ये ला देता है, बट उतना करके दिखाओ और फुटबॉल रखेगा। आज एक हम लोग तो 90 डे धान काटे थे अभी तो धान छीटा जाता ज़्यादातर, नहीं पाते के मुसीबत पड़ता है काटने के, खेत धान करने फुटबॉल we see farmers not fully putting 100% effort into it. We want to see 100% effort from your side. We want to see you treating agriculture as a profession. You can't do part-time farming, leisure farming. Now, some 20, 30 years ago, farmers hardly used to ask for chemicals for weeding. Right. 30, 40 years ago, chemical weeding was pretty much non-existent. Right? But now, farmers are asking for chemicals, which is very expensive. It raises your farm cost. So your farming becomes costly. Unit cost goes up. Right? 20, 30 years ago, the rice productivity per acre was around 2.5 tons. Now it's about 1.2 tons. What's the rice productivity per acre? Tell me.
1 acre.
1 acre.
1 ton.
1 ton. 30 years ago, what was the per acre productivity? Tell us. Tell everyone.
1.5 ton.
1.8 ton. I'm telling you because I didn't read anything. I know what we used to harvest 20 years ago when I was on farm. Right. So now, when your unit cost is high because you want to apply fertilizer, you want to apply weedicide, when your productivity is low, so your farming becomes not very profitable. So you blame rice as a business. But the problem is not rice as a business, as an enterprise. The problem is your unit cost of production has gone up because now you're not doing manual weeding. Now you want to apply more fertilizer than what you used to apply before. Before, between rice crop, we used to plant legumes, boda, mung bean, urdi, so we don't have to apply too much nitrogen fertilizer. Now you don't do that, and you want to apply matti masala, nimang masala. Hayana. Before we used to get 1.8 tons per acre rice. Now you're getting 1 ton per acre. So the thing is that you need to go back and think. We want productive farmers. We want efficient farmers. And we're going to support them. We understand. You have a shortage of labor. We will provide you machinery for harvesting, for land preparation. Okay, done. But I want to ask all of you, 30 years ago, every farmer used to have a draft animal. Every farmer used to have a draft animal. I want to ask, how many farmers here now have a draft animal? Either horse or bullock. How many farmers? How many farmers don't have either a draft horse or a draft bullock?
इसके लिए कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ नहीं है, बताओ, सच्चे बताओ, नहीं है। अच्छा, you can't be a farmer if you don't have additional animal power. If you don't have tractor, you must have some additional source of, power. So the thing is this: we can't have farmers who take farming as a part-time leisure business, and government can't be pouring money into that. So you show your contribution, we will come in and assist, because we want agriculture to be treated as a business. Please understand. We can't be pouring in fertilizer and chemical when farmers are not really treating agriculture as a business. We can't expand agriculture in that way. Right? So if we are providing fencing material for goat and sheep, we want to see you expanding. And then, from there, you should expand on your own, so that I can go and support Jimmy. I'll give Jimmy 5 coils of wire. Jimmy starts expanding himself. I'll go to and support Muttu. I can't be supporting Jimmy every year. I need to spread and support every farmer. I want government assistance to go to every farmer. You understand? Right? I don't want any farmer say that he has been assisted every year and I haven't been assisted. Every farmer should be assisted. Right? So I want to assure you that. I want to thank you all for coming. And I want you to understand this basic philosophy. Basic philosophy is, we want you to put in everything, Don't treat farming as a leisure or part-time business. We want you to expand. We want you to ensure that you get maximum productivity, drive down unit cost. We will come and support. Okay? Thank you very much.
अभी